Hey guys, it's Valerie from M&R Automotive. I am standing on top of the new Tacoma and we're doing a light output. I'm going to show you a lot of light, the light bar setup and our hood mount kit. Let's do it. Okay, these are low beams. These are high beams. You don't get a lot of peripheral light. You don't get a lot of the trees in front of you. And now when we turn on the light bar, you see the difference? Nice. You're gonna love it. Okay, let's add a hood mount to it. The hood mount kit can go to the side and serve as ditch lights, or it can go straight to serve as more of a spot pattern in front of you, whichever your preference is. So this is just the hood mount. Still so much light right in front of you. Okay, let's turn everything on. Okay, these are low beams, high beams, light bar again. And add the hood mount. Yeah, you guys are gonna love these products. Thank you for watching.